Well, hello everyone. This is your girl Cherry Coco coming at you with a slightly different video. This is a video of me repurposing some clothes that I can no longer wear. It's not acceptable for me to longer wear. It's a pair of jeans that I really like. They had a lot of lycra in them, as you can see from the white material, lycra material stretching out. They were very slimming. I really like these jeans. They fit very well. They made me look a lot thinner than what I actually was, but because of the way they have been worn out, I can no longer wear them. Along with that is a black t-shirt that is faded, so I just can't wear that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rip these clothes up and make me a completely different outfit. So what I have with me is some scissors, some X-Acto knives, some tweezers, and I'm going to get to it. So I want to have some ripped jeans. I just want to rip them all over the place. I want them ripped kind of high. um I want a good amount of rip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch where I want to rip it, do a small little slit, and then in that slit I'm just going to go ahead and cut across. Well, actually, I might just use the knives. I keep saying X-Acto knives, but you guys, not carpet cutters, but you guys know what I'm talking about, and just rip, just going across, and seeing how that works out. So let's see. I don't know. Let's try the scissors, because I don't want to actually cut a hole out. I just want slits going across. Ooh, that came in the back a little bit, but that's where my knee is, so that's not going to really be affecting. I think that came from the actual knife, so I have to put my hand inside and go across that way, and make sure not to do it so heavy as to not go straight through. But like I said, that's probably where my knee is going to be, so that's not a problem. So I've did all my little slits, and now I'm taking my tweezers and I am just pulling down some material so that I can make these a little bit fuzzy and try to get out some of those the lycra stretchy, those little white things that are also coming out of the jeans, because I don't want the jeans just to be just ripped and just to like that. I want some fuzzies to it, like the jeans that I've actually bought from the store. I can't say distressed is a professional look, but a more professional look. So the jeans are done, so now I'm going to start on the shirt. And basically with the shirt, I'm just cutting from completely across from one side to the next, in the middle, because I plan on wearing either like a bralette. Well, I got too much breast to wear a bralette, but like a cami underneath, probably white. Well, not maybe too white, because it's gonna offset how faded that black is. So I'm just gonna start ripping, and I'm gonna use the knife with this one. I don't know what knife is, but I'm gonna use the knife with this one. Oh, I think I tried the knife and it didn't work, so I'm going to cut little slits. Oh yeah, because of the fabric is, I have more room to put my hand underneath. I can actually use the scissors for this one. So I'm going to use the scissors, and I'm going to cut little holes. And I don't have any measuring tape or chalk or anything like that, because I mean, I'm not trying to make an outfit to actually sell to somebody and wear out anywhere to, you know what I mean. This is just something to throw on when you want to run to the Dollar Tree or to Walmart, or you just don't want to be running around naked in your pajamas at home. Yep, so I'm gonna slice it across. Trying so hard not to slice my hand. Anybody thinking about trying this at home, please put a piece of cardboard underneath, in between your shirt to do this, because that knife is extremely sharp and you will cut yourself. I didn't cut myself in this video, but it is possible to cut yourself. All right, so we have basically the measurements out where we're going to cut, and now we're just going to go across. So now I have cut across each one, and now I am taking the little strips that are still attached to the t-shirt, because I just cut across, not completely through, and I am just stretching them out. Stretch, 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 stretch. And now I'm going to throw these into the washer and dryer because I want the jeans to kind of fray up a little bit, and then we'll have the end result. So this is the end result. As you can see, I put a cami underneath just so that my boobs wouldn't be all exposed. Nothing fancy or anything, but I hope you like it. I hope you guys try it. If you do, tag me in the video, like, comment, and subscribe.